Depositing money on SoFi Invest is a straightforward process that allows you to fund your investment account easily. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Create a login to your SoFi account. Visit the SoFi website or open the SoFi app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you are new, create an account by providing the required information. Step 2. Navigate to the Invest section. Once loaded in, locate the Invest section on the main dashboard. This is where you can manage your investments and funding options. Step 3. Select Deposit Funds. In the Invest section, look for the option to deposit funds or add money. Click on this option to proceed with funding your account. Step 4. Choose your funding method. You will be prompted to select a funding method. Options may include linking a bank account, transferring from another brokerage, or using direct deposit. Choose the method that works best for you. Step 5. Enter deposit amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you are ready to start investing with your newly funded SoFi Invest account. Happy investing!